So I want to talk about manifestation. I know the science has its own perspective, there's a lot of research going on, but I do believe in it, and I know that I've manifested everything that I set out for.
Amazing.
Yeah. So what is your views on that? I know you love the topic also. What are your views on it, and what are some of the tips or some insider tricks that you can give us?
There's no insider trick. I think that word is great, inside, because the whole journey is within us.
Yes.
So knowledge was always inside out and not outside in.
True.
So I believe that everything in this universe exists on 3 principles: vibrations, frequencies, and energies. In a simple layman language, we can say we attract certain kind of people into our life depending on the frequency that we are vibrating at. Sometimes you feel that you've known someone forever and suddenly you're not able to get along with that person.
Yeah.
And sometimes there's someone new who comes into your life and you immediately get along very well with that person. Your bond gets very strong. So probably when you were growing up and you were friends with that person, you probably were y'all had a vibrational match, you had a frequency match, and then y'all grew separately and you went to a certain level and your friend went to a certain level, and today when y'all are meeting, y'all are good and happy, but it's not the same match.
Yeah.
Whereas someone you meet today, your vibrational match is better. So it's all about the frequency that we are vibrating at that point.
Right.
So imagine if we become within ourselves magnets that attract and attach everything.
Right.
So that comes with a lot of inner work.
Yeah.
Like I keep saying that wisdom is always inside out. Learning is always inside out, not from outside. There's something जो हमारे कर्मों में है, जो हमारे पहले ज़माने में हमने पढ़ा होगा. It's past.
Yeah.
There's a lot of... So all of that, along with our ability to be in sync with ourselves. सबसे पहले तो get your body, mind, spirit aligned.
Yeah.
Once that is aligned and there's a lot of self-love and understanding Tattvamasi, that you and the universe are the same, made of the same things,
Yeah.
then you can attract from the universe, then you can manifest from the universe.
Yeah.
And you'll be so amazed that magic becomes an everyday phenomena in your life. It's not something that happens once in a while, but for that you have to be in sync with yourself and then with the entire universe, and manifestation becomes easy.
Wonderful. What is one thing that you do on a maybe daily basis or regularly that has helped you manifest the things that you have manifested?
Sit in complete silence.
Wow.
With myself. Try to understand who am I. Getting into the depth and getting to know me. That is that one thing that has helped me the most. Sitting in quiet inner silence. Very often we feel that let's go on a holiday here for us to connect to ourselves, or let's go there.
Yeah.
I love travel. I'm not against travel. I travel a lot. I think travel is absolutely needed for the self and for growth. But this work of silence is not something that you do only when you're traveling or when you've gone for a workshop. This work of silence is something that you do every day. So find a small place in your house. Make that a very, very sacred zone. That place is used only for your deep inner work. I won't call it meditation, because meditation requires hours and hours and hours of practice.
Yeah.
So just make one sacred zone in your house, just a little, a little pillow in a quiet corner of the house, where that area is sanctified only for this. No other energy is coming in. It's quiet. And learn to find your inner self in that place in your house.
Wonderful.
And once you do that, then you can take that in you to any other place in this world. Right. You cannot keep running away from what the truth is. We can go wherever seeking peace, but peace is a very internal concept. Peace is within you and not outside you in some valley or in some forest or in something. Do visit all those places, but once you found your inner peace within yourself.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you
so much.
Thank you.